get in here. Let's get in here. Take a look at everything. This is going to be very easy. Let's believe. Very easy. 3 years in, this is going to be, let's see the vibes. Okay. On the 1530. Okay, I gotta make sure I watch that. GJ. First, let me see if there's any news for this thing real quick. YFXbook.com. Let's see if there's any news for this economic calendar. Okay. Where's the thing to take this off? Okay, GJ, low. So yeah, as long as I don't see anything red for GJ, then I'm already knowing that news shouldn't do too much. This might be a little something. 4 hours from now, probably London session. We'll see when that comes out. That's not right now. So right now, kind of have some low impact news right now. I'm not seeing nothing too crazy that can affect this price. Okay, yeah, that's 1 day from now. We're valid. I'm gonna go on Finviz now. Let's see if I could see currency strength right now on Finviz. Let's see the vibe. So no news right now. That's the first step that I usually go for. No news right now. I'm looking at GJ. The Great Britain pound is doing stronger than the yen right now. Great Britain pound is definitely doing stronger than the yen right now. So now let's see. I could probably see it. I could probably see it pushing back up. Yeah, this could be a solid buy right here. I'm not gonna lie. I could see it pushing up from right here. Oh, where's the arrow at? Where's the arrow? So we got some vibes right here. I'd probably wait for something like this. So see like this first push right here. This is way better to wait for this first push. I mean, even though it's dumb long to wait for, I mean, that's the more secure way. So boom, breaks up, comes back down. It comes back down, just does the same thing again. So probably see it do something like this. See it push up to here, then come back down here, and then take this purchase after you see it close above this area back into to here. That could be nice. I mean, I don't know. I don't know about really waiting for that, to be honest with you. I would take that buy. Probably if I see it like close above this area or something like this. Yeah, so maybe if I see it close above, like this quick. So it closes above here, right here. You see it goes, shoots up into this area. No orders on this left side, so it goes straight up to it, fills it in. Then it comes back down again. It closes above this again. After the closure above it, straight into the no traffic vibes. That looks nice. So maybe I would wait for the first break up here to just go in here. If I really wanted to risk it for the biscuit, which I really just might, come into the hour. Let's see. Come into the hour, and then I would wait for it to pop up like this. I wait for it to do this. Teaches his own, by the way. I'll go like this. Bow. I would literally wait for it to do all of this. Hold on. Let's see where this arrow's at. Gotta go like this. Let's see. I'll wait for it to. We're gonna watch this for the week too. We're gonna watch this for the week. See if I get back on the arrow. I'm gonna wait for it to break above into this area, then come back and tap it, and then break above, and then just come right up into here. So that looks good, to be honest with you. Almost doing something like what it did into this area, breaking above, coming back down into here, and you're just finishing up. So I could probably see that happening again. Again, you see the same thing we have up here. Peep this. This is the same thing. Watch this. This is the same thing. So the same way I have it lined up like here. So I have 1.2.3 point. Same thing. 1.2.3 point. Now if I see it break above there, that's what I want here. I want it to break above there and come back and tap it. Same thing waiting for here. Come back and tap it. This area right here. Then boom, I'm in. So once I see that break above here, that retest, then I would go in, take this bad boy all the way, all to right here. something like that. I'm not predicting anything though. I'm just saying if it does that. So if it does that, then I would hop in and get right. And then we have adaptation. We have adaptation as well. So if it doesn't do all of that, okay, now I'm waiting for it to, this is the main question. Is it breaking highs or is it breaking lows? So if I see it come up into here and I see it breaking here, I'm knowing I bet it's breaking highs and I'm getting that retest, I'm getting that bottom wick. The same thing I got right here. This bottom wick, I get that bottom wick, like something in this area, and it closes above the bottom wick, like this red line, close above this, above the bottom wick, close above, come into this area. No orders to stop this bad boy until like this area, but which I feel it would break. But this would be TP1 right here. Hold on. TP1. That would be like TP1. That would be TP1, and then probably go crazy and go TP2 right up here. If it was to see, because I'm seeing, oh, is price breaking higher highs or is price breaking lower lows? So, all right, if it doesn't do all of this, right, then I'm expecting, all right, bet. Now I'm gonna take now I'm saying, all right, price isn't breaking higher highs. I think it's breaking lower lows. I'm going like this, boom, breaks beneath the support, then comes back to tap the support. Then I get some type of closure, some type of bearish formation right into this area. So something that looks something like this. Let me show you. I'm not only going to tell you, I'm going to show you. All right, how's this stand? All right here. So after it breaks beneath, goes up here. I'm looking for something like this. So bow, and then maybe something like this. And right before price does this, right before price does this candle, it's gonna do something like this. It's gonna do something just like this. Watch this. Before price does this candle, this second candle, after, and this is if it breaks the lower lows. Before price does this, it's gonna do something like this. Something just like this. It's gonna break it and then give you this top wick right here, and then you wait for the closure like into this area. So the closure into like something like this. Let me show you. I'm not only gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you because I really know how to show you. Hold on, where is this thing at? So right here, so after I see it break this, come back up here, I'm waiting for this. This always does this. It always, right when it breaks it down, it gives it a little tiny retest and then it comes down in. That's like a minimal, I mean, all right, let's not look for minimal drawdown. Let's not look for minimal drawdown. But if we're trying to, you know, get a good vibe in where we're not really in too much drawdown, and boom. Fuck that, nigga. I look for little drawdown, so that's what I'm on. The same thing right here. It breaks it, it comes back up. It always gives this a little tiny retest right here. Then bow, movie. Let me show you what this. Yo, what the heck? I can't find any of this. I haven't been on this. Participant, because you still see what's going on. Boom, you see something just like that. So boom, if it was to break the lower lows, and I'm looking for something just like this, but in this area, you see? So see how I have this candle? Boom, this candle right there is this one here, and then the longer one is right there. Mind you, we didn't even go up to here yet, but that's exactly what I would wait for if I see it breaking lower lows. So that's how I look on GJ. Let's go with EJ. EURJPY. You see, it's funny how this has it already. I think it's like the same thing. But see, I'm connecting up here. I'm on the 15. I'm on 1 hour actually now. But I would need to lower that. Oh, right here. So see, if I see a break above right here, 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 then I see it come back to tap down, then that's what I'm looking for. Then bow, movie, straight like that up into this area. Let's push this up. I would enter right there. I would enter it probably like right here. And then probably retest, come up right up into these highs again, right up to here. If I see it break above all of this, then come back down, retest it, then give me like a bottom where it close above it. I would prefer, I mean, this is still clean, but this is better. This is safer. It breaking above right here, then coming back right here is actually safer too. But I don't know. I mean, waiting for that is probably better. I don't know. I don't think I'll be waiting for it. I'll probably wait for it to break right here. So if I see it break these highs right here, I see it break these highs. Right where this moving average, I see it break it, come back and tap it. Alright, bet. I would take it up until like right here. If you were trying to scalp it, you could come out right here. Trying to hold it a little longer, come out here. Trying to swing for real, go crazy and come out like right here. Which I probably prefer to just come out right here. That's for EJ, and then I'll probably sell it if I see it do. If I see it break beneath right here. If I see it break beneath this, no, probably not even that. I'll probably have to see EJ break beneath like right here into this area. So see it break into like this area. Yeah, right beneath these things right here. So give me something that could give right here. Something like these. So break beneath this area. Break beneath this area. And then come back and retest this area. And then drag down. I would have to see it do that for me to sell EJ, but I kind of see it probably pushing up. I kind of see it pushing up from here. Let's see again about me again. Something like that was tough. So something like that, you can barely see that. Yeah, that's better. See, so something like that, that could be tough too. So you see it breaking above right here, coming back to retest, going out. You know this is like a big crazy liquidity grab. Your SL probably right here if you did try to buy that. But I'd wait for it to close above first. So after the bottom wick, I'm waiting for the closure above the bottom wick. That's why this is, look at this area, look at this. Right, oh, this is right after the closure, right where it's at. Where you see it? Oh, let me show you. That's tough. Let me show you. Not only can I tell you, I can show you. So right here, you see, literally right where I have this at, look where it does, right after the closure of the bottom wick. So bottom wick, okay, closure after the bottom wick right there into the clean vibes. Not only can I tell you, I can show you, there's nothing there. So now let's clean it up. If it could do the same thing here, boom, just come clean it up, clean it up. That's what I can see EJ doing it. And then if it doesn't do that, then I see it dropping beneath this, doing all this breakdown, retest, shoot back here, that whole vibe. So it would look just like right here. As I said for the sell for EJ, it would look something like this. Breakdown beneath, I'm waiting for the retest, then I'm entering after I see the closure right here. I'm holding that, and then boom, I'm lit. And that's that. That's the outlook. Those are the only two I'm looking for. I'll be right back at 3 a.m. And that's that. Peace. Demon out. So we're gonna go back and see what these markups did from yesterday, and then I'll make like one little video comparing the two. But let's see what GJ did. Let's give it a look, see what it had going on. Let's see what happened. Okay, nice. So it looks like this buy setup did happen after all for GJ. Again, I have the before. The before video. Looks like we're moving well. It's pushing up right now, and that's solid. Again, the same way I got this buy in, it was literally one tap, two tap, three tap. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait for it to break it. So the arrow breaks it. We see it gets broken. It gets broken right in this area. It gets broken. It comes back to retest. Like I said, it pushes up, closes in this area. Like I stated, I have the last video, and now we're pushing up in here. So TP1 looks like it's definitely going to get clapped, and then see if it could go all the way up to TP2. But yeah, that's that. That already looks good. Let's see EURJPY, because that was the other one that we marked out. Same vibes, that break, that retest, that push up into this area. So I have the last video on it. So I'm about to do it right now actually, and just compare, get the two on there, and then see what we could do, get them rolling. See if we could just help people learn from them. But yeah, both are really well.